Hello everyone. So in this class we are going to discuss about nested group function. So basically in nested function what happens, there is a subquery within a subquery. So in SQL what happens, the innermost subquery gets evaluated first and then the outermost one. So a subquery can be nested inside other subqueries. So SQL has an ability to nest queries within one another. A subquery is a select statement that is nested within another select statement and which return intermediate results. Now SQL executes innermost, which I already mentioned, that executes innermost subquery first and then the next level. So you can nest group functions to a depth of 2. When group functions are nested, the server evaluates the inner function before the outer function. Okay, just a second, and then we'll just move to the practically how it is done. So let's go. So this is my DBFitter screen. So you can see I have already done the table. So it's a table from which we used in the earlier class, that is the create table customer example. So I'm just quickly going to explain it first. So what I have done, I've created the structure for the table. So it's the name of the table is customer. So create table customers. Then we have CID is of type int and which is the primary key. Then we have CNAME of type varchar 100 and size is 100. Age we have int, address varchar 250 and salary of type int. Then what we have done is we have inserted few values, like we have included 4 values into the like int is to customers values 1 Ramesh 32 and the 20,000, and similarly for Kilan 25, Delhi 15,000, Kaushik, and so forth. And then you can what I have done is using the query select star from customers. You can just run this query and just display the table is displayed. Now we can check how the subqueries work. Okay, we'll give an example. So we'll use a select statement here. Okay, select star for customer. Select star for customers. I have used customers, yes. Customers where CID in an opening bracket, select CID from customers where salary greater than maybe 15,000. Okay. Let me run the query. Okay, I show successful. So you can check the output here. We have Ramesh, the salary is 20,000. Kaushik, the salary is 20,000. Chaitali, the salary is 65,000. So what happens is, what have we done is, we have written a query like select star from customer, that is select everything from all the details from customers where the customer ID is CID in, select CID from customers where salary greater than 15,000. So I was repeating one thing in the slide, that what happens is, here 2 queries are there, right? One is an outer select statement and one is the inner select statement. So first, this select statement, that is select CID from customer where salary greater than 15,000, it gets executed. Okay. So this is the output is gets displayed, and then we are like, I'll show you, select CID from customers where salary, select CID from customers where salary greater than 15,000. So what do we get? Just check. Yeah, I'll remove this one. No, I won't remove it. So if you do it in this way, first is evaluate this query. So when we evaluate the innermost query, you get only the CID. But when you combine with the outer one, then what happens is you get the entire details. So in the second case, you can check in the innermost loop first. What happens is we are selecting only the customer ID of those people who have salary greater than 15,000. So this is displayed, right? It's 1, 3 and 4. 1, 3 and 4. Just check. One is Ramesh, 3 is Kaushik, and 4 is Chaitali, right? So they have customer IDs greater than their salaries greater than 15,000, right? 20,000, 20,000, 65,000. Now, in the outer statement, what is written is select star from customer. That is, select everything, all the attributes. Select all the attributes from customers where CID is in this one. That is one where CID is in 1, 3 or 4. So in that case, we get the output as everything we get, like for all the details like fee name, age, address, salary. So in the subquery, in this way, we can perform any operation in any operation like the insert, update, whatever, like all the operation in this nested subquery, nested functions, group functions. So this is known as nested functions. Okay, so you can, it is also so in nested functions, what happens is the inner subquery gets executed first and then the outermost query. I hope I'm clear.